You are a youth. Wake up. Don't let adulthood catch up with you in your frivolities and lack of engagement with time. Time will mock you if you don't value time. You must have a resolve in your mind, ladies and gentlemen. If they take away your dignity, they take away your honor, they reject and rebuff you, they cannot take away your God-given right. And that right is your time. Time, right to time. The poor, the rich, the average. Those destitute, they have equal time. They don't live in their own world of time. It's the same time we all have.